Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm majoring in history and biology in the College of Arts and Sciences. I'm passionate about issues with cross-cultural adoption as well as racial equity, and I'm involved with C-Camp, which is Cornell's cross-cultural adoptee mentorship program.
Hi, my name is Cambria. I'm a current senior studying sociology and minoring in law and society, inequality studies, and Africana studies. I am extremely passionate about eradicating inequality, promoting equity, and most importantly, putting an end to systematic oppression. So I got involved with alternative spring breaks, and together we are the Public Service Center.
Hi, my name is Jay majoring in information sciences and minoring in English at the College of Arts and Sciences. And I'm passionate in working toward the education of local, underprivileged youth and elderly. I'm involved in Cornell Yours and the Cornell Elderly Partnership. Together, we are the Public Service Center.
Hi, my name is Dana Slayton, and I'm an Arabic linguistics and pedagogy major in the College of Arts and Sciences. I'm passionate about addressing language justice issues in our community, which means making sure that everyone has access to the resources and services they need in the languages they speak. I'm involved in the Translator-Interpreter program. Together, we are the Public Service Center.
Hi, my name is Leah Rosner, and I major in Industrial and Labor Relations with a minor in Law and Society and Inequality Studies. As an adoptee, I am passionate in work that empowers and connects adoptees, and I'm involved in the cross-cultural adoptee mentorship program. Together, we are the Public Service Center.
Hi, my name is Nama Madan. I'm majoring in computer science and economics in the College of Arts and Sciences, and I am passionate in addressing educational inequalities and language disparities. I'm involved in the Translator-Interpreter program and the Community Partnership Funding Board. Together, we are the Public Service Center.
The Public Service Center's mission is to empower students through experiences on campus and in the community.
The Public Service Center provides intentional opportunities for you to learn and collaborate with community partners and grassroots organizations in addressing social justice issues.
Here's how you can get involved.
You can hold a formal leadership role by serving on the Student Organizations Board.
You can find a federal work-study position working with community-based organizations.
You can volunteer with local government agencies, schools, hospitals, not-for-profit foundations, and grassroots organizations.
You can apply for grants and awards to support community-based projects.
Join the Public Service Center family.
Join the Public Service Center family.
Join the Public Service Center family.
Please join the Public Service Center family. It will be a decision that you do not regret.